Hi, dear children. Welcome to Great Word GK. I hope you all are fine and safe, right, children? Okay, so in today's session, also, we will going to see the topic who invented it. So, inventions means the act or a process of finding or creating new things known as inventions. Okay, so the necessity is a mother of invention. Many new things were invented to satisfy the needs of those times. These inventions have changed the way we live and definitely improve our life. So many people with great knowledge, creativity and idea and a sense of purpose have invented these things. So in our previous session we already seen some of the famous inventions and their inventor, right children? So here this session we will going to see some other famous inventions and who invented it. Okay children, have you all ready? Okay.
Electric battery. Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta, an Italian physicist and chemist, is credited as the inventor of electric battery. The term volt is also named in his honor. Refrigerator. Fred Wolf. Over the last 150 years, refrigeration offered us ways to preserve food, medicines, and other perishable substances. Before its conception, people cooled their food with ice and snow. The refrigerator for home and domestic use was invented by Fred Wolf. ATM. Luther Simjian. These days, we need not go to the banks and spend hours of our valuable time to withdraw our money. We simply have to find the nearest ATM, automated teller machine. This useful machine was invented by Luther Simjian, an Armenian inventor. World Wide Web. WWW. Timothy Lee. Timothy Lee is an English engineer and computer scientist best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. He was knighted by Queen Elizabeth in 2004 and was conferred the title Sir. Calculator. Blaise Pascal. Imagine doing those big and difficult mathematical operations, additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions without the aid of a calculator. It will take so much of our time. We should be thankful to Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, for his pioneering work on calculating machines. Mobile phone. Marty Cooper. Before the use of mobile phones, people used telephones which were fixed to a spot as the main means of communication. They were not portable and hence important communication used to be delayed or lost. Marty Cooper, an American engineer, invented the mobile phone. Ice cream maker. Nancy Johnson. In 1843, Nancy Johnson invented the hand-cranked ice cream maker, which is still used to this day. Her simple machine made it possible for everyone to make ice cream. Nuclear reactor. Enrico Fermi. Enrico Fermi, an Italian-American physicist, is the creator of the world's first nuclear reactor. He has been called the architect of the nuclear age and the architect of the atomic bomb.
So children, in this session we have seen about some of the famous invention and their inventor, right? So the first one, electric battery. Electric battery was invented by Alessandro Volta. The next one, refrigerator. refrigerator was invented by Fred Wolf. Next invention, ATM. This was invented by the inventor Luther Simjian. And the next one, World Wide Web, WWW. This was invented by Timothy Lee. And the next invention, calculator. Calculator was invented by Blaise Pascal. Next one, mobile phone. Mobile phone was invented by the inventor Marty Hooper. So the next one, ice cream maker. Ice cream maker was invented by Nancy Johnson. And the last one, nuclear reactor. Okay, so the nuclear reactor was invented by the inventor Enrico Fermi. So from this, our chapter is over. So all of you, please note your today's homework. Complete the workbook activity, that is page number 24, 25, 26 and 27 in your GK workbook and send it to Google Classroom. This is your homework today. Got it, children? Okay, good. So all of you, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in a session. Bye. Thank you.